Welcome to another video, guys, and we are back in Hanley, and it's Saturday the 26th of October 2024, and there's a lot of frightening things going on in Hanley today. It's Halloween. Let's go and check it out though. According to what I've seen on Facebook and the social media channels, from 11 o'clock there is lots of things going on with Halloween in Hanley. I'm looking forward to seeing what's going on, and I can already see quite a few characters up there. So yeah, come with us on this beautiful Saturday, 11 o'clock in Hanley. I'm also testing out the new Rode Wireless Pro microphones. Let's see how they go. Okay, so that's the first dressed up lady. There we go. Welcome to Hanley. You're on YouTube.
Oh, amazing!
So what's going on in Hanley today then?
Oh, they've got all sorts today. South, we've got still walking, we've got loads of different characters, so lots on today.
Can't wait. Thank you. Wow, so there's all little pop-up stalls. And you've got sweet treats, homemade chocolate fudge, hampers and flowers. And up here there's lots of things going on for the kids, where they can get a good selfie. Wow, and just check this out. Outside the Potteries shopping centre. Now that is definitely pretty scary to me. Welcome to a very, very scary Hanley. It's really good to see Hanley actually bustling on this beautiful Saturday. Everything has been dressed up in Hanley today. How wonderful is that, with the pumpkins? There's a guy there with with balloons. This is brilliant. Let's go and check it out. Loads of stalls. Just say no photography or filming there, unfortunately. Lots and lots of stalls to come and look at. We've got the blinding sunshine this way. Lots of witches' hats. Sticky toffee. Fiona's Fairy Doors. That's really, really good. Look at that, that's absolutely wonderful. All the Halloween and everything there. And come down to Hanley today and just look at the wonderful things that you can actually get. Look at the gingerbread man. Let's continue walking on. There's some absolutely awesome stalls today. That little cow there. Life is short, smile while you still can. Definitely. A lot of music going on as well. That's what's going on in Hanley today. The big Halloween street party. Free event, fancy dress parade, creepy crafts, live entertainment, sweet treats, tricks, and our teasing market. It's 11 o'clock and you can see it's already really, really busy. Fabulous to see Hanley like me. Let's go back the other way. We've got no blinding sunshine now. Loving the window displays of Poundland now. And I can see a witch right ahead. Little doggy out there, enjoying himself. And you check the witch out there. Fortunately, a lot of the shops do actually say no filming, but that's a shame because that's what Halloween's all about, surely. Face painting there. I guess it's probably no filming because there's kids probably there, so that's probably what it's going to be about. Oh my god, check these guys out.
I do.
Let's head back down here, check out a few more of the artesian markets. All shoe insoles for £1.50 there. What a beautiful day. I'm going to have a quick look in Primark and then we'll head back out to see what else we can see is going on in Hanley today. Great shot there with the famous Hanley clock in the distance as well. How cool is that? So pretty much that's what's going on in Hanley today. Apparently there are other live events. Lots of people walking around, mostly kids dressed in Halloween. Fortunately, obviously, we can't film you that. But what a wonderful day. Get yourself down to Hanley on this beautiful Saturday. Then, hope you've enjoyed this short video of just showing you what's going on in Hanley at Halloween. If you've enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video soon.